The Global Pulse. Stories, trends, opportunities.
Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that the job you've spent years building can now be done in seconds by artificial intelligence. It sounds like science fiction, but for millions of workers around the world, this is already becoming reality.
I can't believe it actually
Artificial
worked.
intelligence is no longer just a futuristic
incredible.
idea. It's
Thank you,
writing
Assistant.
reports, creating images, answering customer questions, translating languages, analyzing data, writing computer code, and even helping doctors detect diseases. As AI becomes smarter and more accessible, one question is being asked everywhere. Will AI replace your job? The answer is yes, but it's also no. Here's why. Over the last few years, companies across the world have invested billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. Businesses are using AI to reduce costs, improve productivity, and complete tasks much faster than humans can. Jobs involving repetitive work are already changing. Customer service, data entry, basic content writing, simple graphic design, and administrative support are increasingly being assisted by AI tools. In many organizations, employees are no longer spending hours on tasks that AI can complete in minutes. This has created understandable concern. Many people worry that AI will eventually replace millions of workers across different industries. But that isn't the whole story. History shows that every major technological revolution has changed the job market. When computers became common, many feared office jobs would disappear. When the internet arrived, people worried that traditional businesses would collapse. Instead, new industries emerged, millions of new jobs were created, and entirely new careers became possible. Artificial intelligence appears to be following a similar path. While some jobs are changing or
Take a deep breath
disappearing,
for me.
many new opportunities are being created.
We need to secure
Today,
this beam.
companies are hiring AI engineers, prompt engineers, AI consultants, machine learning specialists, automation experts, AI trainers, and cybersecurity professionals. Businesses of every size are looking for people who understand how to work with AI instead of competing against it. The biggest shift may not be humans versus AI. It may be humans who use AI replacing humans who don't. That is an important difference. Not every profession is equally vulnerable. Jobs that depend on physical presence, human judgment, creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and hands-on problem solving are much harder to automate.
Yes.
Doctors, nurses, electricians, plumbers, construction workers, teachers, project managers, emergency responders, and many skilled trades still require qualities that machines cannot fully replicate. AI can assist these professionals, but in many cases, it cannot replace them. So what should people do? The worst response is fear. The best response is preparation. Learning how to use AI tools, understanding automation, improving digital skills, and continuously developing new abilities will help people remain valuable in a rapidly changing economy. The future of work is not simply about artificial intelligence replacing humans. It's about humans learning how to work alongside artificial intelligence. The question is no longer whether AI is coming. It's already here. The real question is whether you're ready for the future. This is the Global Pulse. Stories, trends, opportunities. See you in the next video.